Hey guys, thanks for joining me today on Bumblebee Kid Toys. I'm here with my favorite Disney pal, Minnie Mouse. She's been finding super secret and magical recipes in her recipe book, and it looks like she's found some more. These recipes are so much fun to make, and I can't wait to get started.
Come on, let's make a treat together.
So here is Minnie Mouse's Tasty Treats recipe book. And inside are the 3 super secret recipes Minnie just found. We have recipe number 7, number 8, and number 9. Let's start with the first one. We're gonna need a red bell pepper. And on Minnie's marvelous microwave, we need to press the waffles button and the s'mores button. Here is Minnie's basket full of food items. Let's find the red bell pepper. And here it is. Now let me place it in the microwave. According to the recipe, we need to push the waffles button and the s'mores button. Now let's press the start button.
Cooking together is so much fun.
Looks like the recipe's done cooking. Let me take it out of the microwave. Check out what our magical surprise is. It's a Super Wings mini figure blind bag. Now let me get this bag opened up. We have our flyer and our Super Wings character. And this little guy's name is Sammy. Okay, it's time to move on to super secret recipe number 8. For this recipe, we need 1 big green pear. We also need to press 3 buttons on Minnie's marvelous microwave: the popcorn button, the s'mores button, and the bacon button. Now let me find a pear. Here's one. Now I will press the popcorn button, the s'mores button, and the bacon button. Now let's press start.
Isn't this fun?
Now let's see what's in the microwave. Wow, we got a My Little Pony blind bag. Now let's see which character's inside. Here is our flyer. And we got a red and orange pony. This pony's name is Big Macintosh. Alright, you guys. We're down to super secret recipe number 9. Our food item is some spaghetti and meatballs. We need to press the waffles button, the pretzel button, and the pretzel button a second time. I found the spaghetti and meatballs. Now let me place this in the microwave. Here's the waffle button, the pretzel button, and the pretzel button again. And now the start button. All done. Let's take it out. Wow, we got a little Woodsy's bobblehead surprise. Let's open it up and see which little Woodsy's character is inside. Isn't this acorn container so cute? Here is our flyer with all the Woodsy's characters to collect. And here is our character. This turtle is wearing a cute little blue hat. Now let me find this character on the flyer. Here he is. This is Tab Turtle. Tab is really soft, and look at his bobbly head. Okay, friends, it looks like we're done with all 3 recipes for today. Thank you so much for all your help. And thank you for tuning in to Bumblebee Kid Toys. Hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Bye! See you next time!